is Ray. I'm over at Transwest in Belton, just outside of Kansas City. And today we're inside a Country Star, Newmar Country Star, floor plan 3709. It's one of 8 that are available for this pusher. So this is an entry-level diesel pusher. Up front, you will see that both the driver and the passenger have 6-way power comfort, so you can make this chair exactly the way you want it on those long drives, along with the Newmar Comfort Drive, which makes holding the wheel over long drives a lot easier against the wind. Backup camera with the Mobileye and lane assist, again to help you with those long drives through the country. Along with the power seat and the comfort, you also have a workstation. That allows it to pull out, work on your laptop, write, read in comfort during those drives. As we make our way over here, the decor is Ansel, which is one of new decor offering in the Country Star of the 2023. The other one being Baja. It's got 2 ACs for comfort. For entertainment, you've got the television, televator here, and a television offered in the cockpit. This version of the Country Star has a sofa that pulls out for additional sleep. There are offers also a recliner instead of this. You also have your dinette booth, which is very spacious and deep, allowing you to, not only for you and your partner, or if you have guests, to have plenty of room. Comes standard is a 3-burner stove, along with the microwave, whirlpool, and refrigerator. In this floor plan, we actually have a half bathroom that has a lot of the same amenities that are in the full bathroom that you'll see later. In the bedroom, you will find the king-size bed, standard, which is awesome because you don't have to bump and hit people when you're sleeping. Again, you have another television, and plenty of storage space is available in the bedroom. In the bathroom, again, you have plenty of storage for your linens. You also have your washer and your dryer, stack combo. And then another option on this Country Star is on-demand water, hot water, so that you don't have to worry about your water being cold or having to wait to take a hot shower. It has on-demand and endless amount. If you have any questions about this coach or any others on the lot, feel free to contact me at the number you see below. And again, thank you for taking a trip around the Country Star with me.